So you can see my screen. Yep.
Yeah.
Now, what do you want to go through first? What you sent me, is that what you want to go through in order of priority?
Yeah, probably.
Okay, cool. Let's do that. So the first thing that you requested was 701, questions 8 and 9. So let me just open to that. And yeah, thank you for accommodating the various changes in time. I will say that with myself, things get a little bit on the, like it might happen every now and again that happens. Like it's hard for me to commit to a regular time.
Yeah, no, that's all good.
Yeah. So let's have a look. Question 8 and 9. Okay, question 8. Oh, okay, cool. So question 8 is over here.
So I know it's kind of weird because like I know how to integrate it, but I just kept getting like in the answer, they had like pi in the answer.
Yeah.
I had no idea.
Show you that there's an actual, can I show you that there's a really easy way of doing this? You'll slap your head and go, oh, why didn't I think of that, right? Let's have a look. Y equals to the square root of 25 minus x squared, isn't it?
Yeah.
What is that, by the way? What is, oh, sorry, what I mean is, what is that a curve of?
Is it like a circle kind of thing?
Is it like a circle kind of thing? Yep. By kind of thing, yeah, you're in the ballpark. Yeah.
I don't really know the square root, what they look like.
Okay. Cool. Well, this is a good opportunity to go through it then. Let's start by doing this. Okay. Square both sides. All right. So let's square both sides. What do we get when we square both sides?
Y squared equals 25 minus x squared.
Okay, cool. Let's rearrange it to a form that you know. What would it look like if we rearranged it to a form that we know?
X squared plus y squared equals 25.
Yeah, and what's
like
that? What's
the circle?
Yep, so that's a circle, right? Okay, now let's look at these two curves. What makes them different to each other? Or are they exactly the same?
No.
Yeah, that's a good answer. That's a good answer. Why aren't they exactly the same?
Because it's like only is it only like the positive side? Kind of thing?
Yes. Because we've squared both sides going forward. So you see what we've done? We've squared both sides going forward, right? This time we're going to go back, right? So we're going to backtrack. So let's backtrack and see what happens. Okay, so let's do that. So if we backtrack, we make y squared the subject of the formula, and we're left with 25 minus x squared. Okay, and then we make y the subject of the formula, and when we backtrack from this step to this step, what happens?
Square root it.
Yeah, so we square root it. But when we undo the square, we're not quite square rooting it, we're also undoing the square, right? What's the difference between square rooting and undoing a square?
I have no idea.
Yeah, when we're undoing a square, right, we're taking both the positive and the negative case. Got it?
Yeah.
When we're just square rooting, it can only ever be the positive case, right? But when we're undoing a square, we need to take into consideration the positive and the negative versions of the square root, which is just positive. Got it? So, have you managed to catch on yet as to what the difference is between this and this? I think you said it earlier.
Yeah, is one like the half a circle and that's like the full circle?
Absolutely, absolutely. One is the full circle, right? So this one's the full circle. What would that full circle look like? It would have in order to graph a circle, what do you need?
The radius would be 5.
Yep. And you need one other thing to graph a circle.
Center kind of thing?
Is going to be?
0, like the origin.
Origin, right, cool. So you got origin, you got 5 is the radius, which is that, right? So that's the full circle. Okay? What would this be? It would be, or what would this be, right? We're interested in this.
Just the top part?
Yeah, let me just, yeah. Why would it just be the top part?
Because it's only the positive of it.
Which part of it's positive?
Part.
Y, isn't it? The Y. Yeah, the Y is positive, right? So we only want the bit where Y, right? Y is positive. So it's everything from here up. Got it? Yeah. So it's this bit here. Now, can it be 0?
Yes.
All right, so it's that bit there, including the 0, and it's this bit here. Got it?
Yeah.
What would this bit be? With the negative?
Yeah.
It'd be the bottom bit, yeah? Okay. And it would, this would also be part of the graph as well, the zeros. Got it?
Yeah.
Now, let's read the question. Find the exact area under the curve. You worked it out yet?
Yeah, just the top part.
Yep.
Oh, it's the area of a circle, but just half of it.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Got it?
Yeah.
So the area is equal to pi r squared. Got it?
Yeah.
And the r is
5.
5. So it's 25 pi 2.
Right. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Do you see how it's actually an easy question in disguise?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just recognizing the disguise. That's the hard part of that question.
Yeah. Okay.